Papasyal kami ni Big Red.
So we have
Manila tour.
Yeah, Manila tour. This is the first trans. One Spanish came here.
yeah.
So ayan, ang mga tourist attraction. Joke lang.
Mas maganda po yung pupuntahan natin, ma'am.
Just like Miami.
Rodolfo Quezon.
This is our first tour in Manila. After so many years.
Oh, there's the mini market.
Children
Yeah, I know.
Museum, sir.
So when
That's the Children Museum.
Saan nyo lang po magtuturo, ma'am? Have you been in Manila Zoo, sir? Dati Masaki.
Ayan si Fernando po. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung station niya dito sa Manila.
Action star, sir, in the Philippines. Fernando po Jr. Madalas nakakilala sa taping.
and then they get too nervous
Yeah.
from everything around it.
Sometimes at the sounds, at the big swamp. Dr. Jose Rizal. Hero of the Philippines. Ayan, ma'am, tatlong star na sa taas. Tatlong, ano yan, malaking isla yan. Ayan ang gusto ko sa Mindanao. Yan ay tunay na ginto. Yung bagong bayan sa left side. Diyan po in-execute si Dr. Jose Rizal ng mga kapwa natin sa Sandalo. So, diyan po siya binaril. Ikinulong po siya sa may Port Santiago. Papunta dito, ma'am, nakapiring siya, nagmamarcha, nakaposa sa kamay at paa. Pagdating po dito, yung mga kapwa natin Pilipinong sundalo.
McCarthy, the liberator of
The first women president of the Philippines. And the next one is Ninoy Aquino. Senator Ninoy Aquino. Senator Ninoy Aquino, sir, statue. He is the first governor in the Philippines from Portugal. His name is Don Miguel de Legazpi.
Ano yun? Guardia Civil is Guardia walang silbi?
Joke lang yung una.
Joke lang daw.
Ito naman po yung Intramuros Golf Course. Intramuros, sir, is a Spanish word. In English, city within the wall or walled city. It is surrounded by wall and this way, ma'am. Excuse me, jump po. Take a photo with the horse, ma'am.
Ice cream. Fantastic sorbetes.
All flavors po.
Cream. It's chocolate.
No left turn, no right turn.
Dali dito. Hello, Mimi.
Lang mapakal. Malacanang Palace in Manila. Top Spanish.
I can see that.
Ayun po yung opisina ni Don Miguel de Legazpi.
Ayun,
Palacio del
Tamiento.
Sir is Manila Cathedral, the second oldest church in the Philippines. One of the priests, which is bahay po yan yun.
Some time ago. You sure? That was it.
With the three singers.
Yeah.
Bahay Pinoy.
Uh,
Diyan nyo po makikita mamilaking buhay po ng Chinese sa panahon po ng year is the Chinese year 900. Year 900 pala po sir is the mass grave of almost 100,000 died during Second World War. Victim of Manila War. Nilibing dyan na. Sa San Ignacio Church. Ito pa ma'am.
Yung nasa right side.
Opo. Ito naman yung dati Ateneo de Manila. Dr. Rosera Science, ma'am sir, is finished high school inside of Ateneo. Little Bigan ma'am. Science po ang magmamanage. This road ma'am sir, is since 1500, which is the first stone church in the Philippines.
San Agustin Church.
Ito naman, dahil po kapag pumasok kayo sa
And
loob,
it's now museum.
makikita niyo po. This ma'am sir is an original barracks, PC barracks or Philippine Constabulary. Yes. After PC sir, Philippine Constabulary changed the name to Philippine Military Academy and transferred to Baguio, Manila, Baguio City. Nilakadarin ka sa seminaryo po yan ng mga madre. And then,
Yung ginamit ko sa kasal. Sila bulletin. Newspaper.
yes po, ayan ang pangalawa sa pinakamatandang speaker. Sir,
no.
Daily, ako.
Sorry.
Papua University. At this table, every one room has one hall. Okay, ma'am. Sir is compound during Spanish era. All Chinese ma'am stayed inside during Spanish era. Then, nung lumaki po ng lumaki yung mga Chinese community dito sa loob ng Intramuros. Second oldest university in Asia since 1630 until now. Wall. And
So we can teach you some.
King Philip.